Okay.
Anh tính đi nó mưa nó là nó cho anh pang yeah rồi pan nó tal cái cơ nó cho anh pang rồi cái một cốt nó anh mẹ thì cái lao nó đã để trái từ mưa mưa riêng rằng là thằng mười cái tê thằngนี้cái mưa Wednesday vì thế nó bơ chỗ này số.
So folks, once the casket is lowered, let's form a line over this way and we'll go this way past Calkel, okay? If you want to throw flowers in, that's perfectly good, or dirt, okay? But let's make a line coming this way.
Hey Ted, where is the head? Where is the head?
I do
On
not
this
know.
side?
Two lines. It's going on both sides.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that two lines.
Okay, okay, yeah.
One on each side.
One on
so
each
that
side?
way- Yes.
Do you,
No, no, no,
do
no,
you know
I-
where her head is? Which way?
Yes, the head will be on this side.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to go other side. Not on the front. Yeah, you have to go out. Other side, come up like this. You don't go on the
We're
front.
gonna put them this way. So
Yeah.
just keep
Okay.
going this way.
Yeah, so her head is
Yeah.
here.
Okay, yeah.
Folks, I'm sorry. Let's come this side and down here then, okay?
Yeah.
Over here with Amy. Go down both
นี่
sides.
ได้ครีมมามันนั่นแหละ